Hello, friend. Good morning. This is the last segment of our intellectual property rights. Initially, we have studied copyright, then, we have studied patents, thereafter, we have studied trademark, and finally, we are moving to the law of design. So, today's lecture is Lecture of Law of Design in India. So, you can simply understand what is design. Design is special, specially designed article which perceives you to buy any product, because this is not applicable for the services. This is applicable only for the product. So in this is not only design, this is called as an industrial design, because to invent any design is not easy. Most of the time people have made their name, their career as a logo maker, or as a trademark maker, or as a design maker, or they have their special branch. They are known as a designer. If you want to publish any book, they will design the cover page of the book, which looks very attractive. And most of the time, people buy that book because of the cover. So here I have given some examples that there is a bottle, there is a chair, there is a car, there is a bucket. Okay, so ideas or examples can be multiplied. But the crux is that in our day to day life, we encounter various objects which we can recognize by observing their design. Now, in our day to day life, we buy a number of things. We buy pen, we buy pencil, we buy notebook, we buy bicycle, we buy two-wheelers, four-wheelers, whatever. But product which are artistically designed can grab the attention of the customer the moment they see it. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप किसी घर के पास से गुजर रहे हो और आप देखते हो कि ये घर कितना खूबसूरत है. हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इज दिस होम. Why? Because it is properly designed by the architecture. That's why a person who is the architecture preparing design of his work is called as a blueprint, and he's trying to get all rights with him, which is called as a copyright of the design. This design can take in the form of art, drawings, graphics, etc. I can remember in our classroom, I have given an example that there are some modern arts, modern pictures which can be seen in five-star hotels, in a house of rich people. That this paint is painted by world-class painter M.F. Hussain. So you will be ready to buy it for 5 lakh, for 10 lakh, or even for 1 crore rupees. Why? Because it has a special design. These designs may be created by professionals, which include engineered design or architecture blueprints for any property, interior designs. As now you must be well versed that some people have made their career as an interior designers also. They are known as best interior designers. Needless to put here an examples that few people that they renounced their acting career and now they are known as the best or world class interior designer. For example, Akshay Kumar's wife Twinkle Khanna, she has obtained the license for her interior designing. Okay, now houses which she has designed are subject to copyright. Otherwise, people will start copying. So, no person shall copy their design. It is very important to get license from the government that this is designed by me. Now here is an example. If you want to buy a helmet, you will be attracted towards its design. Nowadays you can see there are new invention in helmet also. There is a system of Bluetooth. Otherwise earlier it was very difficult. If you are driving your vehicle, if you are having any call, you will stop your vehicle, you remove your helmet, and you communicate with the person. But nowadays they have designed the helmet with a Bluetooth technology Means while driving your vehicle, you can talk, you can communicate. Designs means features of a shape, pattern, configuration, ornament or composition of colors or a lines which are applied in three dimensionals or two dimensionals or in both the forms using in any of the process, whether manual, chemical, mechanical, separate or combined, which is finished articles, appeals are judged wholly by the eyes. The last statement is very important. Wholly by eyes, मतलब जिसको देख के आप बोलते हैं कि इतना कितना खूबसूरत है, देखते ही उसका इम्पैक्ट बन जाता है, देखते ही आप बोलते हैं नहीं मुझे खरीदना है, इसका डिज़ाइन बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. आई विल गिव एन एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल परफ्यूम बॉटल्स, स्प्रे बॉटल्स और इवन वाइन बॉटल्स. इसका डिज़ाइन इतना खूबसूरत होता है कि लोग चाहते हैं कि ये ख़त्म होने के बाद भी हमारे घर में बने रहे. यस और नो? एंड स्पेशली दे हैव यूज्ड ornaments. Ornaments means girls or woman category is very possessive about ornaments, especially necklace, Mangal Sutra. And meanwhile, you must have seen that famous jewelers in our Pune, Daji Kaka Gadgil, they obtained license for their design and they had a brand in the market. That this design is specially designed for a movie, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Means a girl or woman during their marriage enter in any jeweler's house, insist that we want a set of Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. And that become their brand name, that became their trade design. And nobody shall copy their design. Now you can see, even this was followed by Shah Jahan, that this Taj Mahal is designed by me and no other people shall copy this Taj Mahal. That's why what he did. Now you know the history. But today we are not using such coercive methods. We are civilized country. We are a decent country. We will only register our design that my product shall not be copied by any other person. Now design imparts the visual appeals to an object and it serves to differentiate it from other product in same category. Most of the time four-wheelers. You see the design of a four-wheeler. I think that time when I was a student, most of the people used to purchase steam car, Maruti Steam. Nowadays, this is not in the market, but it was specially known for its beautiful design. Nowadays, expensive vehicles like a Rolls-Royce are known for their design. And when they are registering their design, no other person can dare to copy their design. Okay, it is a creative act of determining and defining a product's forms and feature which takes place in advance of the making of a product. Now design makes any product more beautiful. Design of any product, for example chair in your house. When you buy a chair, you will definitely take care of its design. How beautiful chair is. Table, refrigerator or anything which you buy, you will try to insist on its beautiful design. Okay. The term design is the same as industrial design. As I told you, there are 7 IP, 7 intellectual properties. But unfortunately, now as a CLAT student or a CET student, you are only studying 4 intellectual properties. An industrial design is the ornamental or aesthetic aspect of the article. Now, packaging of any product has also a special impact on the customers that they don't want to throw it away. Though it is a package, though it is a packing material, it's so beautiful that people want to preserve it. People want to maintain it, that it is so beautiful that we don't want to throw it away. It may consist of a 3-dimensional features such as a shape, surface, or 2 dimensions as a pattern. For example, line or colors. Sometimes color combination of any product is very beautiful and we want to have it in our house. For example, beautiful paint. And most of the time, Asian Paints have obtained their copyright regarding designing that this is our color and this shall not be copied by another painters. Okay. Now the design would fall under artistic work, under more appropriately form the subject matter of copyright. You can see there is a vehicle, there is a two-wheeler. Now there are most expensive vehicles also in the market. Now we are using this simple vehicle like Splendor, Pulsar, or any other Yamaha which is below 1 lakh rupees or 2 lakh rupees. But there are very expensive vehicles also. Like there is a vehicle of BMW. You must have heard. Another vehicle like Yamaha vehicle is also there. Like Kawasaki has also manufactured and they have their own design. They are spending their years and years for designing their product. But if the two products are similar, then what will be consequences? The customers are deceived. The market, the targeted market will be divided and people will start preferring another product instead of originally designed product. The object of the design registration is to see that creator of a profitable design should be rewarded by the exclusive use of it. Now law has given the benefit. You are a talented person, you are a brilliant person. If you have designed this product, you are only one person who is supposed to get the benefit. And no third person can copy and no third person can get the benefits of this design. Now the difference between design and trademark. Now it sounds to be similar. But while design is a part and parcel of manufactured article, a trademark is not necessary. Now design is integral part of any product. It cannot be separated. For example, design of any bottle. It cannot be separated from that bottle. But a logo or a trademark of that bottle can be separate. It has no relevance with that bottle. It can be separately advertised. In marketing strategies, there is no concern of design. A label on a container of a good is not an integral to the goods and it is not a design. As I told you yesterday, automobile trademarks. For example, trademark of BMW. You can easily identify that this is a trademark of BMW. But if BMW trademark is taken away from its product, its vehicle, but the design remains the same, design is permanently attached with the product. It cannot be separated. Now requirements of the registration. Now if you think I have done something very different, this is my design. Nobody has designed this product like me. Now what will you have to do? For registration, design must be new or original and must not have been disclosed to the public. Now why it is important? Because if you disclose your design to the public will definitely try to copy it. Before you get registration, other people will get its registration. Must be significantly distinguishable from the known designs or their combination and must not comprise or contain scandalous or obscene matter. Scandalous or obscene matter, now as a law student I want to tell you, scandalous means it shall not be ridiculous. You know, for example, you are putting any shameless thing as your design. Anything which is heterogeneous, which is shameless, which is creating some bad thoughts in your minds. So this shall not be design. Are you getting that? Though you are marketing any product which is related to diaper or a whisper of a girl or any other product which is prohibiting pregnancy of a woman, the design of the product shall be decent. It shall not reflect vulgarity. It shall not reflect cheapness. A design is not meeting of any this condition shall not be registered. Now it is up to the controller. Controller is like an umpire. Controller is like a judge. You go and you submit the application. You are showing him that this is my design. And if everything is okay, then he will say, yes, now I have registered design in Pune. I have registered 16 design. Mind well, initially they will give you a very provisional trademark. And after 18 months, they will give you permanent trademark. Okay, this is now people are making the design. As you can see how he's working hard. He's making designing. He's applying his intelligent. He's trying his level best that no other product is like his own design. Okay. Now I have deliberately given this example. You can see all 4 IPs in one product. For example, in your laptop, patent is DAS data processing technology. That is already obtained by Dell company, by IBM company, by Microsoft, that we have separate data processing technology. For example, industrial designing, that how your product appeal. Most of the time laptops are very beautiful. For example, laptop of an Acer company. Now please pardon me, I am not a brand ambassador of Acer company, but I think the design of Acer company sounds to be very beautiful. Especially white color laptop looks very beautiful. So copyright, where the copyright issue is related in your laptop, that is the softwares which you are using in your laptop. And trademark or a logo which is given on every product. It is a product of Samsung, it is written as a Samsung. If it is a Sony, it is written as a Sony. If it is a Dell, it is written as a Dell. Or Sony has made its a different trademark, like a Vivo. You can imagine in that Vivo, it is a W, but it is not a W as well. It is a V and A. It looks like a wave, and that has become their trademark. Nowadays, there is a cutthroat competition. Our laptop is a slim, our laptop is a lighter in a weight, so buy our laptop. And most of the people are trying to get the product. Okay, now this is something engineering work or architecture blueprint. Friends, believe me if you can, but architectures are spending hours and hours, weeks and weeks, months or years to prepare their blueprint. And immediately after preparing their blueprint, they are trying to get the registration of that blueprint, that this building shall not be copied. This is made by me. I am architect. I am architecture. I need to get the benefits, and no other third party can get the benefits of this product. Now cancellation of design. Now this is a common sense. Any person interested, for example, I have registered my design and I come to know that any person has started using that design. I will immediately go to the High Court. I will ask High Court, call the controller of the design, how he has given the license to that person, because I have originally registered that design before another person. So the High Court called that registrar, and on the following grounds, that this design has been previously registered, that has been published in our India as well as in another countries, and the design of another person is not a new, it is not an original, it is copied, and it is copied without permission, and that design is not registerable. Just like when you are registering your vehicle to RTO office, he will not give you the same number, he will give you the different number. There cannot be similar number of two vehicles. Just like same thing, controller will not give you the license for the design which is registered earlier. An appeal may lie to the High Court. Now where you can go, you will have to go to the High Court, not to the district court, against the controller, not against the same person who is using the design, but against the controller, calling him into the High Court and asking him to cancel the license given to another person. Now, how we can file an application for design? Now we go to the controller. Now it is difficult for you. That's why people go to the legal expertise like Advocate Gajanan Funde. He will prepare, he will take a search. Now that is already available on Google, that whether this design is already registered. The representation shows that exact article on which registration is applied. If everything is okay, I will say yes, and if everything is not okay, I will say it will be copy. Don't go for that. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, the person can make an appeal and he can cancel your design. The appropriate class of design is identified from internationally accepted 32 classes of design. Then what controller is doing? Controller is having huge data of designs. He will recall all other earlier registered designs. He will test. If it is similar, then it will be rejected. But if it is a different, if you are showing evidence of novelty which is prepared, then it is okay. It is given also in international convention. Now few products are internationally renowned. For example, Samsung is not Indian company. Samsung is not an Indian company. You have recent burning examples in front of you. You are using Zoom application. Meanwhile, there was a problem in our India for use of a Zoom application. Government was about to ban Zoom product. Immediately, Reliance invented their own product, which was called as a GeoMeet. And you can see similarities. Only there was a change of a color. Otherwise, rest of the things were similar. And Jio company strongly objected. How you can copy? This is our original idea. Zoom is our product. It is an American company. But if you have started spreading this in India, Indian people will stop using Zoom application and they will start using Reliance product. And the matter is pending before the court. Now there is very nominal fee. There is 1000 fees for registration and 2000 fees for its renewal. But it is not convenient for advocates like me. That's why we are charging more than we should have. After completing the above procedure, the application can file to the design officer in Kolkata or any other patent office which is in Delhi, Mumbai or Chennai. In Mumbai, office is in Bandra. If we will get an opportunity, we will visit to the office of patent office in Bandra where it is registered. After examination, if demanded, additional information required by design officer should be submitted as soon as possible. Means controller can ask you, we want additional information of your product, so that information shall be given to him. To facilitate easy communication and registration, full and correct address should be furnished. Detailed address shall be given with a pin code with all the details. So it will make communication as easy as it has to be. And finally, we are coming to the summary. An industrial design is ornament or aesthetic aspect of article. It may consist 2 or 3 features such as a shape, surface, or 2 dimensions such as a line or colors. For example, few products are known as red label, black and white. Few products are known as a color combinations like red and blue. This is also design. A design is registered to enable its creator earn economic reward through monopoly rights over design. If it is registered properly, no person in the world can claim that this is my design. The act protects shapes but not function. It does not protect functional shapes. And while a design is a part and parcel of manufactured article, a trademark is not necessary. Mind well, registration of trademark is a different thing and registration of a design is a different thing, because industrial circuit in television and laptops are a very small part, but design of that product is very very important. Have you seen television? If a person is repairing television, there are thousands of circuits, there are thousands of design inside television which are known as a processor. That's why these people are trying to get, we have RAM, we have processor, we have inbuilt design, and that's why we want to get the registration before anybody can copy. But if any person is trying to infringe, infringement is nothing but violation. If any person is trying to copy with a fraudulent imitation, then what will happen? What will happen? There is a penalty which is 25,000, and it is maximum 50,000. Now it sounds to be very less, very less. 25,000 is initial penalty, but if it continues to use, then there may be more penalties up to 50,000. Now there are a lot of amendments which will make it more expensive. Now you can see what you remember when you mention the word Disney means it will, you can see Tom and Jerry and Mickey Mouse. These are the products of Disney, Walt Disney. He has earned crores rupees on the basis of this product, Walt Disney. फ्रेंड्स, आपको पता होगा आइडियाज कैसे आते। एक आदमी जो भूखा मर रहा था, उसको खाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं था, वो एक होटल में जाके बैठा और उसने मंगाया कि मुझे भैया चाय दे दो और एक ब्रेड दे दो, एक छोटा सा ब्रेड। और जैसे ही वेटर ने उसके टेबल पे ला के रखा तो वहाँ पे एक चूहा आ गया और उस चूहे ने उस ब्रेड को खा लिया। और उस चूहे को देख के उसके दिमाग में आइडिया आ गया कि मैं कार्टून बनाऊंगा और उस कार्टून का नाम रखूंगा जेरी माउस। और उसके बाद शुरू हो गया टॉम एंड जेरी का सिलसिला। एंड नाउ यू कैन सी वॉल्ट डिज्नी इज अ वर्ल्ड क्लास प्रोडक्ट। You must be die-hard fan of Mickey Mouse, Tom and Jerry. Now in this case you can see the international registration of industrial design become a matter of conflict in India. A Mumbai-based company which was known as a Prime Houseware used to manufacture like a Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck. But when the company came to know Disney Enterprises for for infringement of their international registered design, when a developer developed something, they filed a suit in the court and they got the permanent injunction that no person shall copy our product without our permission. Now when developer develops something, if an architecture develops the structure of a building, there is expectation that my structure will not be infringed. Many designs are capable of providing the author with a copyright also. Okay, like if I have written a book and design is made by the designer, I will buy the rights also. That later on you will not claim the benefits of the design. The design also belongs to me. High intellects are involved in making a design look good and have an everlasting impact. Why we are going so long? Example is very close to us. Now you are using WhatsApp. Are you using emojis? That emojis were made by one designer, and now to express our feelings, to express our emotions, we are using that emojis. And when the person made these emojis, you can see how simple these emojis are, but how high intellect, how intellect ideas this person would have applied while making these emojis. Government come up with a great policy of protecting design. Now nobody can dare to copy these emojis. अब अगर कॉपी नहीं कर पाते तो क्या करेंगे? अभी जुकेरबर्ग को लगा भाई मुझे तो बड़ा खतरा लग रहा है, मुझे बड़ा खतरा लग रहा है व्हाट्सएप से, कि कहीं वो ये व्हाट्सएप मुझे ओवरटेक ना करे, मेरा फेसबुक का बिजनेस, मेरा फेसबुक का धंधा चौपट ना करे, इसलिए फेसबुक ने क्या किया, फेसबुक ने पूरा का पूरा व्हाट्सअप टेक ओवर कर दिया. दैट इज 20,000 crore rupees. He purchased the entire WhatsApp business. Everything belongs to him right now. Now when you open your WhatsApp, it will shows you that this is a product of Facebook. Design can also give a negative impact on the value of the business if infringed. देखो कोई बहुत कॉपी करता है ना तो उसका बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट होता है. As I have given an example, there is a small street near Mumbai. You keep in your mind Ulhasnagar Sindhi Associate, which is popularly known as USA, and they are trying to copy everything. There are fake designs, looks like similar, but this is not an original design. And a good design is always remembered. For example, statues in a shop. You are dying to buy the statues, which are quite expensive. Okay, in Pune, I can remember there is one shop, and they are selling this product. One product is for 1 lakh rupees. It is quite beautiful, and most of the people buy that product. For example, that is the statue of Ganpati, that is the statue of Lord Shiva, Lord Shankara, or anything. But they are dying to grab that product because of its design only. Thank you so much. This was all about design. When you will appear for your fourth semester, we will go in detail. We will go in sections. We will go in amendments, and we will go in recent case studies. This was for your study of a design. So please have a careful look. And I have given a link. Please follow our channel, like, share, and subscribe to get other videos also. If you have any doubts, any questions, please drop in comment box. I will try to satisfy best of with my knowledge. Thank you so much. Have a great day.